Okay, so last lecture we have studied meiosis and mitosis, right? So there, mitosis. First of all, let me know what is mitosis.
It occurs in somatic cells and it leads to the development and growth of our body.
Okay, Gagandeep, I think you were about to know what are the different stages of prophase one and all in detail.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Yes, miss.
miss.
Okay, actually, I have taken as per your syllabus. Okay, there are the starting phase as well as the ending phase is also there. Dikinesis, like that, but this is not given in your textbook and in your syllabus. So that's why I have
मैम
not taken that portion.
बट मैम एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में है ना प्रोफेज वन का वो उसे उसके भी मतलब उससे भी नीचे कुछ और स्टेप्स थे ना वो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में है बट वो एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट में नहीं है हमें
हाँ, इवन एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट्स में ना मायोसिस का भी इतने डिटेल्स पेजेस नहीं है. यू कैन सी एट द टेक्स्ट लुक, जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द टेक्स्ट बुक. It's given combinedly. Only 8 diagrams are given and mentioned in short. Okay. So as per your textbook, what I have taken accordingly only. But yeah, prophase also having the starting of the prophase and ending of the prophase is called as a dichoinesis, and this is the last stage of prophase one. Here actually, initially what happened in prophase, chromosomes started to become short. Okay, so the final stage is called as a dichoinesis, wherever it becomes completely condensed or fully condensed. Okay, then slowly what happens here, nucleolus and nuclear membranes start to dissolve. Getting my point? मतलब जो initial stage रहता है ना, when they started to perform their function, what we discuss in telophase, prophase, metaphase. So these stages are also highlighted as a dichoinesis and like that. Hmm? So if you
Yes,
want in
miss.
detail, see what I have done, because as possible as in much more detail, I have conducted this portion, okay, division and all. But if you need much more, I mean, say in case of prophase also, what are the in between phases? So I provide you in the PPT's form next lecture. Okay, tomorrow only.
Okay, miss.
ओके मिस
As it is not given in the phases, so I cannot show you that all 4 phases in the prophase one. We have to again enlarge them, we have to highlight them one by one, and then we have to study. But doesn't matter, if it is the part of your questions, I will solve and I will provide you. Hmm? But initial, for your
Yes.
initial understanding, prophase means what? What happens during prophase? Whatever chromosomes are there, they started to condense. Okay. Then first of all start to condense, then becomes condensed, and finally get completely condensed. Similarly, nucleolus and nuclear membrane start to dissolve. This slowly and finally becomes completely dissolved. Okay. So these stages are again divided into 2-3 phases. Okay, we will conduct that portion, doesn't matter. So now we need today I'm going to start the next topic of discussion, life processes in living organism. But again, as I said, to explain this unit, we need to have the clearance about life processes, cell division, the role of chromosomes, and what are the types of cell division. So this topic we need to revise for 2 minutes. Can anyone define what is meant by cell division? Yes?
The cell division are divided into two, mitosis
Hmm.
and meiosis. Mitosis takes place under the somatic cells and the stem cells, and it has the two parts, kinesis, which take part in the nuclear division, and
Hmm.
cytokinesis, which take part in the cytoplasm division.
Okay, cytoplasm. It occurs in cytoplasm. So cell division is what? For what is the purpose of cell division?
Ma'am, it leads to the growth, it leads to the repair of the cells which are being damaged, or when we are getting some or the other hurt, or when we are having any of the wound, and then it
Accident.
also helps in reproduction. Yes.
Yes, repair, growth, replacement, and reproduction. That is the purpose of cell division. So cell divisions are of two types. First one is what? Meiotic division, and second one is meiosis division. So meiotic division, it takes place in eukaryotic cell. Meiosis also eukaryotic. But when we are talking about the prokaryotic cell, so there is the type of cell division, one more type, which is called as amitosis. So amitosis or binary fission, it occurs in bacteria. Then meiosis and mitosis, it occurs in eukaryotic cell, but mitosis occurs in body cell and related to the mitosis related for,
Growth and development of the body.
okay, and meiosis is related to,
A
For
production
formation
of
of
gametes.
gametes.
okay, reproduction. Now which one is permanent?
Mitosis is permanent.
Mitosis.
Mitosis, because it continues throughout the life. As I have given you one example, like 20 million RBCs get damaged or destroyed per minute. So it needs to be recovered or replaced by the fresher one. So in this way, throughout the lifetime, the mitosis goes on continuation, where meiosis or meiosis, it occurs only during the reproduction. Then in mitosis, what happens? Mitosis, what happens? There is a single division. The cell get divided into two. Okay. But whatever chromosome number, suppose humans are having 46 number of chromosomes, so each daughter cell will carry the same number of chromosomes. This topic we need to discuss for today's discussion. So meiotic division, the number of chromosomes are conserved. But if we are talking about the meiosis division, meiosis, what we pronounce it. So in meiosis, 2 times cell division takes place. मतलब पहले एक सिंगल सेल, उसके 2 सेल फॉर्म होते हैं. These 2 daughter cell again undergo meiosis, and there is a formation of 4 haploid nucleus. But all these haploid nucleus are having reduction in chromosome number. ठीक है. Mitosis में chromosomes are conserved, meiosis में chromosomes are reduced. That's the difference between these two kind of division. And finally, the role of chromosomes in cell division is, because chromosomes, what is their purpose? They are actually responsible to enable the synthesis of DNA and protein. Okay, so we can also call that genetically hereditary material, DNA, which is synthesized by the chromosome. Now, today's topic of discussion is reproduction. So is it clear now everything about cell division?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
So now we will go for reproduction. I will share few slides what are related to this topic, and again we will get back to the textbook only. Otherwise, that would be better. Focus, what is reproduction? So first of all, reproduction means what? This is the characteristic of all living organism. One by one point, you people prepare. Wherever the new terms come, you people just note down in your notebook. So basically, it is the characteristic of all living organism, because with the help of these characters only, they are capable to produce the offspring. Okay, they are capable to have the production or formation of new organism. So basically, reproduction is essential for the formation of new organism by an organism of the same species. And this is essential for the continuation of species, or we can say to maintain the continuity of life. So basically, production of offspring from the parents. Yeah.
मैम प्लीज हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करो ना.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ. तो ठीक है, अभी देखो, रिप्रोडक्शन में अभी जैसे हम लोगों का ओपन डिस्कशन था, तो आई थिंक वन ऑफ यू सेड कि रिप्रोडक्शन मतलब जिसमें सिर्फ एक पेरेंट इन्वॉल्व होता है. ओके, एक वन समबडी सेड कि रिप्रोडक्शन में 2 पेरेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व. तो रिप्रोडक्शन मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है कि प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग्स फ्रॉम द पेरेंट, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग्स और न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. ये ठीक है? रिप्रोडक्शन मतलब द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स. अब जो पेरेंट्स है, नाउ रिप्रोडक्शन हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वी विल स्टडी दिस मेथड इन केस ऑफ एनिमल्स एज वेल एज प्लांट्स. तो पहले हम लोग आज का जो टॉपिक है ना, वी विल फोकस ऑन जनरल अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्शन एंड वी विल टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड टू द प्लांट्स ओनली. तो रिप्रोडक्शन मतलब सिंपल प्रोसेस है कि जहाँ पे न्यू ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स. नाउ रिप्रोडक्शन में क्या होता है कि देयर आर 2 ways of reproduction. First way है that is called as asexual reproduction, and second one is called as sexual reproduction. What are the types of reproduction?
Sexual and sexual.
Sexual.
अब what is sexual and asexual reproduction? लेकिन उसके पहले second point आप नोट करो. पहले तो है कि production of new organism from the parents, they are called as that process is called as reproduction. Now reproduction actually takes place by 2 ways. मतलब there are 2 modes of reproduction. Okay, Modes of reproduction means by what kind of parts are responsible to for the formation of new organism. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे दो टाइप के पार्ट होते हैं प्लांट्स में. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स एंड सेकंड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स. I repeat the point. In plants, the production of new plants takes place from a parent plant by two ways. The first one is vegetative parts, and second one is what? Reproductive parts. Now, vegetative parts means what? One of them is root, stem, and leaves. From them, the new plants will be generated. समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब अगर न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म अगर फॉर्म होता है, तो जब न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर्म होता है तो यहाँ पे दो वे है. देयर आर टू वेज. पहला वे है कि इट कैन बी पॉसिबली फॉर्म फ्रॉम द ओनली वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स. वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स मतलब सिर्फ स्टेम से भी आप नया प्लांट जनरेट कर सकते हो, ओनली रूट से भी आप नया प्लांट जनरेट कर सकते हो, या तो फिर लीव्स और उसके ऊपर जो बर्ड्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, फ्रॉम देम आल्सो वी कैन जनरेट और वी कैन हैव द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू प्लांट. So that is the part which is called as vegetative parts. But reproductive parts means what? Fruits or flowers. Unke through we can have the process of reproduction. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will define the process of reproduction?
Ma'am, can I, Gagandeep?
हाँ.
Reproduction is simply the process of formation of the offsprings from the parents. In plants, it takes place in two parts, that is vegetative parts and reproductive parts. In vegetative parts, the new plant or the new part of the plants can be formed with the help of the parts of the root, stems and leaves, whereas in reproductive parts, the part of the plant the part of the plant that plays an important role is the fruits and flowers.
So vegetative parts means stem, roots and leaves, and reproductive parts are flowers and fruits. ठीक है. Now there are two types of reproduction. The first type is that each organism has a different way, means its own way of reproduction. So one of them is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. Now, as we are talking here about the plant, so in this case the new plants are produced without the use of seeds. Okay, without the use of seeds. Then what is used here? Here only the vegetative parts will be involved. In asexual reproduction, there is no use of seeds, so there is the use of vegetative parts like leaves, stems, and roots. Where in sexual reproduction, there is the new plant is produced from the seed, and in this case, the flower is actually the main source or main reproductive part for the process of sexual reproduction. Now, we will see here about the asexual and sexual reproduction difference. As I said, in asexual reproduction, the plants, if we talk about the plants, so there is no involvement or use of seed. So what we can say, the production of new species without the involvement of gametes or without the involvement of seeds. Is it clear?
Ma'am, please repeat
Yes,
that
miss.
point.
हाँ, मैं रिपीट करती हूँ. देखो, जो रिप्रोडक्शन है, अगर हम प्लांट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो अगेन यहाँ पे प्लांट्स अगर है तो वी विल टेक द यूज ऑफ सीड. हाँ, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लांट तो हमारा वर्ड क्या रहेगा? विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ सीड्स. And if you are talking about general in all kind of organism, so we will say the asexual reproduction is the process of production of new species but without involvement of gametes.
Okay, ma'am.
अब मुझे बताओ कि अगर फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोलेंगे कि विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ गैमेट इन असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, तो सेक्सुअल में व्हाट यू विल से?
With the involvement
help
of
of-
gametes.
With the involvement of gamete.
ठीक है, ये आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन आप इसमें बोल सकते हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो इसको क्या कर सकते हो, क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हो कि इन प्लांट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू प्लांट और स्पेसीज टेक्स प्लेस विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ सीड्स, एंड इन एनिमल्स इट टेक्स प्लेस विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ गैमेट्स. या तो फिर आप सिंपली इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ गैमेट, ये दोनों के लिए भी कॉमनली आप यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है, इट डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व यूनियन ऑफ टू गैमेट्स. यूनियन मतलब फ्यूजन ऑफ टू गैमेट्स. मतलब सिंगल पेरेंट. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आप बोल रहे थे ना कि सिंगल पेरेंट इज इन्वॉल्व. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में there is no fusion of two gamete. There is no fusion of male and female gamete. Getting the point?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Miss.
Okay, so what will be your second sentence for sexual reproduction?
There is no fusion of the male and female gametes in asexual reproduction.
हाँ, लेकिन sexual में
In sexual
There
There are
reproduction,
fusion of male and
there is
female
a fusion of both female and male gametes.
ठीक है. अब ये जो असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है ना, इट इन्वॉल्व्स माइटोटिक डिवीजन. कौन से डिवीजन से होता है? सेल डिवीजन से. माइटोटिक जो बोलते हैं ना, ठीक है. और व्हाट यू विल से फॉर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन देन?
meiosis.
डिवीजन
Meiosis.
हाँ, मियोसिस डिवीजन. ठीक है. अब जो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन रहती है असेक्सुअल, फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट असेक्सुअल. असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन फास्ट प्रोसेस है. अब बट इसमें क्या होता है? इट इन्वॉल्व्स द अब्सेंस ऑफ जेनेटिक कॉम्बिनेशन. अब जेनेटिक कॉम्बिनेशन मतलब क्या? जैसे कि इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, एज आई सेड, इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एक मेल गैमेट रहता है, ठीक है, और एक फीमेल गैमेट रहता है. Male and female gamete, they undergo fertilization and there is the formation of diploid nucleus which is called as zygote, right? तो अब ये zygote जो nucleus form हो रहा है, इसमें क्या हो गए? 51 set of what will have one set of chromosome from male parent and जो female parent है उसमें से भी one set of chromosome from female parent, right? मतलब यहाँ पे जो zygote form हो रहा है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है? From both the parents, their genetic characters are carry over or carry forwarded. That occurs in meiosis or meiosis division. लेकिन माइटोसिस में क्या होगा? There will be no cross mixing. मतलब सिंपल एक सेल है, उसका डिवीजन होगा, there will be two cells. फिर से ये two cells का आगे डिवीजन होगा, they will form two different cells. Again this will undergo division and it will shows the formation of two cells. Getting the point? मतलब इसमें कोई भी
Yes, ma'am.
दूसरे from any other species is there the mixing of genetic characters? Origin देखो, ये कैपिटल A सपोज स्पीसीज है, इसी का जनरेशन हो रहा है. देयर इज अ मल्टीपल डिवीजन बट देयर इज नॉट एनी काइंड ऑफ जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर मिक्स्ड इन दिस सेल. तो ये जो दिस टाइप ऑफ जो रिप्रोडक्शन होता है ना फ्रॉम अ सिंगल पेरेंट एंड like there is no mixing of genetic material of any other parent, so that kind of reproduction is also actually called as asexual reproduction. Guys, is it clear about?
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी इसमें ना थोड़ा और एक पॉइंट देखते हैं हम लोग. सबसे पहले मुझे फिर से बताओ. नाउ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग टुडे, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरीवन. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर टुडे. संदीप, विचारे, आर यू देयर? समीक्षा, प्रथमेश, पीयूष, अश्वित, okay, so only Sahil, Preeti and Gagandeep, these three are present. Shubhashri,
Ma'am, I am
Yes,
also.
yes.
Shubhashri is there. Okay, Tanisha, Aditya, Atharva.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
I am Ashwit.
you are Ashwit. Are you present?
Ma'am, I am Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, welcome
Yes,
back to
ma'am.
the lecture. You people are attending lecture?
Yes, miss.
Miss, we are
Yes,
attending
ma'am.
lecture, but
Hmm. But what's the problem? Apurva?
network issue is
अच्छा.
occur.
ओके तनिषा, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट. ठीक है, तो आप लोग थोड़ा सा ना अच्छे से ध्यान दो एंड वॉट एवर द प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैव नोट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेरीज. वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व. तो इसमें ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग से हम थोड़ा सा रिवीजन लेते हैं. गगनदीप,
Yes, miss.
ठीक है. So reproduction is what? The process of production of offspring from the parent. ठीक है. There are two modes of reproduction.
Miss,
First one is
from parents to offspring.
from parents. Yeah, from the process of production of offsprings from the parent. From parent. So what are the modes of reproduction?
Vegetative parts and
Vegetative parts and
Vegetative
reproductive
Vegetation
parts.
reproductive
and
parts.
reproduction.
Okay, vegetative, what are the example? Quick answer exam.
Roots, stems, and leaves.
Steam roots. Okay.
Stem,
Roots,
roots
stems
and
and
leaves.
leaves.
Stem, roots and
Very good.
buds.
And what are बस
Flowers
हो गया.
and
अभी
fruits.
examples of
Flower,
reproductive.
fruit, seeds.
अच्छा. Now the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction?
Asexual is
Asexual
In
reproduction
reproduction.
occurs
asexual
without the
reproduction,
use of seeds
there are
and without, or we can say without the use of gametes.
Asexual reproduction without involvement of gametes. Where sexual reproduction
With
involvement
involvement
of
of
with
gametes.
Huh.
Now asexual reproduction does not involve the fusion of
male and female gametes.
Male and female.
male
gametes.
and female gametes.
Female gametes.
very good. Asexual reproduction occurs by what kind of cell division?
Mitosis.
Mitosis.
Okay,
Mitosis.
and sexual reproduction?
Meiosis.
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 Meiosis. Okay. Then asexual reproduction, there is the absence of genetic combination. Okay. Where sexual reproduction, presence of genetic combination. Now, actually, your topic of discussion is asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Now, the next topic of discussion, as per your syllabus, asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay. And again, we have to study asexual reproduction is multicellular organism. Now, I am going to explain you what is meant by unicellular and what is meant by multicellular. From the name itself, you can justify or you can conclude here. Unicellular means the animals which are the organisms which are made up
Which
of
have a single cell.
Single cell.
Single cell.
single cell. Okay, so single cell organisms, for examples, are bacteria,
Amoeba.
and euglena. Okay, bacteria, amoeba, euglena. These are the examples of unicelled organism. Now, multicelled organism means what? They are composed of group of
More
Human
than one.
beings.
yeah, group of cells means what? For example, in our body, around 10 millions of nerve cells are present. Okay. Similarly, around 20 millions of 20,000 millions of RBCs are present. Means millions or billions. The cells, the group of cells in the billions or millions number, which are actually formed in our body to perform the specialized function. Specialized function means suppose RBCs in the form of million number, they are present in our body for oxygen transport. WBC is there for providing immunity to our body. Nerve cell is there or neurons are there for the control and coordination, support the brain function structure. So basically what is the point here? The organisms, there are two types of organism, multicelled and unicelled. Unicelled are bacteria, amoeba, euglena, which is made up of only single cell. And multicelled organisms are all human beings, animals, then vegetables, fruits. Okay, so these are the example of multicelled organisms. Now, we are talking here about asexual reproduction in unicelled organism. What is the topic of discussion?
Sexual reproduction.
Sexual
Sexual
reproduction.
reproduction in unicellular organism.
Yeah, unicellular organism. Actually, asexual reproduction in unicellular, it takes place by three different ways. If you are carrying notebook, please note down the point. I will show you in the diagram. Give heading in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will give heading asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay. So in case of unicellular organism, there are three types. First one is binary fission. Second one is multiple fission. And third one is budding. BUDDING. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then you write down the point. asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, in multicellular organism, it takes place by 5 different ways. First one is fragmentation. Second one is regeneration. Then budding, budding, budding.
Yes, ma'am.
Then vegetative propagation. And final topic of multicelled organism is spore formation. SPORE, spore formation. Okay. So today what we have discussed, today we have discussed what is meant by reproduction. Then we have discussed the modes of reproduction. Okay. Then we have studied the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. Now we are having the discussion about asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay. So now let me know what are the names of unicellular organism.
Amoeba,
Amoeba, bacteria,
Euglena.
paramecium, then Iglua.
Euglena.
Euglena.
Yeah. So only those organisms having means what we can say the prokaryotic bacteria, prokaryotic type of cell organism. Okay, they actually undergo binary fission. Basically, asexual reproduction now. In this case, the new organisms are formed from the parent one without mixing of any genetic recombination, and this takes place around by 3 different ways. First one is binary fission, then multiple fission, and then budding. So now the topic is Now the topic of discussion is what is meant by binary fission. If you want to know in a single word, binary fission means what? Whatever parent cell is there, this parent cell divides to give 2 daughter cells. That's it. A single parent cell get divided into 2 daughter cells. Bi means what? 2, binary. So the division of how we can define binary fission, it is the division of parent cell into 2 nuclear daughter cells. That's it. Then this binary fission actually takes place by mitosis division. By what kind of division?
Mitosis.
mitosis division.
Okay. And generally, binary fission occurs in prokaryotic cell, but sometimes it also occurs in eukaryotic cell. But eukaryotic cell, in that the certain cell organelles. If you have idea about the cell organelles, आपको पता है ना कि cell, what does cell consist of? Suppose this one is the cell diagram. उसके लिए आपको revise करना पड़ेगा. Next time आप थोड़ा revise करो. Suppose this one is your cell membrane. फिर यहाँ पे क्या रहता है? Nucleus. फिर बहुत सारे यहाँ पे क्या रहते हैं? Cell organelles. You have idea about?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Mitochondria.
और एक mitochondria, that is important. So actually जो plant and animal cells है, they are actually prokaryotic cell, like having they are eukaryotic cell having true nucleus. ठीक है? So in this kind of cell also, जो cell organelles है, one of them is mitochondria, which is called as storehouse of the energy, powerhouse of the cell. So one of them is mitochondria. Then chloroplast, they actually undergo a division with the help of binary fission. So my point of discussion, I mean to say here is binary fission means the division of parent cell into 2 daughter nuclei. This is first point. Second point is that it occurs by mitosis division. And third point is that it occurs in prokaryotic cell. For example, bacteria, amoeba and euglena. The diagrams are shown, you can see in the diagram. And third one is that in few cases like eukaryotic cell, where we can take the example of mitochondria and chloroplast, there also we can see binary fission. मतलब single एक parent cell का division हो रहा है 2 daughter cell में. ठीक है? अब division कैसे होता है? तो it can be possible. Just look at the diagram. Yeah, I will enlarge here. Binary fission can be possible by simple binary fission, ट्रांसवर्स बाइनरी फिशन या तो फिर लॉन्जिट्यूडनल बाइनरी फिशन। ठीक है, मतलब एक सेल को आपको कट करना है 2 सेल में बस। गाइस, आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट?
यस मिस।
Yes, miss.
और
Yes,
किसी को
ma'am.
फास्ट हो रहा है क्या, जैसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो
नो मैम, समझ
No,
रहे
ma'am.
हैं।
थोड़ा हिंदी में करना है जरूरी है अभी फिलहाल?
नो
Yes,
मिस।
ma'am.
अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा साइड बाय साइड हिंदी में करती हूँ, मुझे पॉइंट आउट किया करो इफ आई कंटिन्यू, मतलब नहीं रहा तो। अच्छा ठीक है, तो मुझे ना आप स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा सा आप रिप्लाई करो। असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म टेक्स प्लेस बाय हाउ मेनी वेज?
3 ways: binary
थ्री
fusion,
वेज, बाइनरी फ्यूजन, मल्टीपल फ्यूजन एंड बडिंग फ्यूजन।
Fusion.
ठीक है, बडिंग। ठीक है, बाइनरी मतलब क्या? बाय मतलब